Hello everyone, my name is Abhishek Gupta and you are watching Gateway for Engineers YouTube channel. So now I will take up the questions of ordinary differential equation which I have discussed earlier in this previous video. So let's start. First question is the solution of x dy upon dx plus y equal to x power 4 with y of 1 equal to 6 by 5 is. See here, after seeing this, you have to write like this: dy upon dx plus y by x equal to x cube, and this will give you the Leibniz equation. And you remember how to solve the Leibniz equation by finding the integrating factor, or if equal to e power 1 by x into dx. See, this is the p, dy upon dx plus 1 by x into y equal to x cube. Here p equal to 1 by y x and q equal to x cube. So e power 1 by x dx equal to e power ln x, which is equal to x. Then the solution will be y into if plus integration q into if dx plus c. So y into x plus integration x cube into x dx plus c. Here you will get, after solving, y x equal to x power 5 upon 5 plus c. At x equal to 1, y equal to 6 by 5. So on solving this, c equal to 1, and this is the correct solution. Okay. Next question. Find the solution of xy plus 2x square y square in whole into y dx plus xy minus x square y square whole into x dy equal to 0. See, you will remember this. I have told you the rule number 2 of converting and non-exact differential equation into exact differential equation. If this is the case, see here m and n. This is m, this is m, and this is n. Okay. M is the function of xy and n is also a function of xy. See here, xy plus 2 x square y square, xy minus x square y square. So this is the function of xy, and if this is the form, that function of xy into y dx plus function of xy g into function of xy into x dy equal to 0, then use rule number 2 to reduce to exact form. Now this will we have to find mx minus ny. So after finding, we get 3 into x cube y cube. So we will divide the whole equation to convert into exact form. After dividing, this is the converted form. Now it is exact form. Okay, how will check the exact form? Del m upon del y equal to del n upon del x. So after that, you will get the exact form, then solve as previous. How we solve the exact form? The integration y equal to constant m dx plus terms of n without x dy plus a equal to c. So this is the case. Here without x is minus 1 by 3y. So putting this, we will get minus 1 by xy plus ln x square upon y equal to constant. So this is the solution. Next question. X double dot plus 3x equal to 0 and x of 0 equal to 1 and x dot 0 equal to 0. Then find x of 1 is. How to solve this? See, x double dot means del 2 x upon dx2. Okay. So here we can solve that d square plus 3 into x equal to 0. Okay. So x is, capital X is 0 here. So pi is 0. But we have to find the complementary function. For that, we have to solve m square plus 3 equal to 0 or m equal to plus minus root 3i. Here it's the equal and complex imaginary roots. So alpha equal to 0 and beta equal to root 3. So for this, cf equal to e power 0 c1 cos root 3t plus c2 sin root 3t. So for after this, we get that x equal to c1 cos root 3t plus c2 sin root 3t, and after putting this condition that x of 0 equal to 1, we will get c1 is 1, and on differentiating, we will get this equation, and putting this condition that x dot 0 equal to 0, we get c2 equal to 0. So our solution is x equal to cos root 3t, but we have to find x of 1. So put t equal to 1, we get cos root 3, which is 0.99. So this is the correct answer. Next question. Solve d2y upon dx2 plus dy upon dx plus y equal to cos 2x. See this equation, you have to remember the capital X is the function of cos. So here we get the function of d as d square plus d plus 1, as d2 upon dx2 is capital D square and d upon dx is capital D. So this is the f of d equal to cos 2x. Now for finding the CF, solve f of d, m square plus m plus 1 equal to 0, m equal to minus 1 plus minus I root 3 upon 2. This is also complex imaginary roots. So CF equal to e power minus 1 by 2 x, means alpha is minus 1 by 2 and beta is root 3 by 2. So e power minus 1 by 2 x, C1 into cos root 3 by 2 x plus C2 sin root 3 by 2 x. This is the CF. And how to find Pi? Pi equal to 1 by f of d cos 2x. F of d 1 by d square plus d plus 1. Now put, and here cos 2x, therefore small a is 2, and we have to replace d square by minus a square, minus a square, which is minus 4. So replace d square by minus 4, you will get 1 by d power 1 by d minus 3 into cos 2x. Now multiply by d plus 3 in numerator and denominator, you will get d plus 3 into cos 2x divided by d square minus 9. So again replace d square with minus 4 here. So you will get minus 4 minus 9, and in the numerator you will get d plus 3 cos 2x. Now d cos 2x plus 3 cos 2x. D means here you have to differentiate the cos 2x function. So minus 1 by 13 into, after differentiating you get minus 2 sin 2x plus 3 cos 2x. Now you got the Pi, and to get the complete solution add CF plus Pi. So next question, d square minus 4d plus 4y equal to e power 2x into x cube. So again here find d is 2 comma 2, that are equal roots. So CF will be c1 plus c2x e power 2x. We got the CF. Now Pi is will be 1 upon d minus 2 whole square, means this is a function of fd into e power 2x into x cube. For this we have to replace, d by d plus a. So here, and take this out of this 1 by fd. So e power 2x 1 by d is replaced by d plus 2. So d plus 2 minus 2 will give d. So e power 2x 1 by d square x cube. Now inverse it, and you will get that e power 2x into d power minus 2 x cube. Now we know that d power minus 1 will be integration, and d power minus 2 means 2 times integration of x cube. After integrating twice x cube, we will get x power 5 upon 5 into 4. So the complete solution is y equal to c1 plus x c2 e power 2x plus x power 5 upon 20 e power 2x. Next question, y double dash plus y equal to sec x. See, this is not any of the 5 of x, capital X. This is not in any of the rule which we showed you for finding the particular integral. So we have to use the variation of parameter. Remember, I told you in the formulas, if capital X does not suit any of the 5, then you have to go by variation of parameter. Here we have to use the Wronskian operator. So d square plus 1 into y equal to sec x. So we get here capital D equal to plus minus I, the imaginary. So here CF complementary function is e power ax, alpha is 0. So e power 0x into c1 cos x plus c2 sin x. CF complementary with c1 cos x plus c2 sin x. Here we get that c1 y1 plus c2 y2. Okay, y1 is cos x, y2 is sin x. Getting the Wronskian operator W equal to determinant of y1 y2 y1 dash y2 dash cos x sin x minus sin x cos x will give you 1. So here Pi is given as a y1 plus b y2, a y1 plus b y2. A is given as minus integration x by w into y2 sin dx. So here x is this sec x. So minus integration sec x by w is 1 into y2 is sin x dx. So minus integration tan x dx will give you ln mod cos x. So and b is given as 1 by x by w into y1 dx. So this sec x by into cos x is 1. So we get integration 1 is equal to x. So the pi is ln cos x into cos x plus x sin x, and the complete solution is c1 plus ln cos x into whole into cos x plus c2 plus x whole into sin x. This is the complete solution. So coming to the last question, x square d2y upon dx2 minus 4x dy upon dx plus 6y equal to x square. Here this is the form of Cauchy linear equation. So put in Cauchy linear equation we put x equal to e power t and capital D equal to d by dt. So and x square d2 upon dx2 as d into d minus 1. After putting this we get d square minus d minus 4d plus 6y equal to e power 2t. So solving the f of d we get m square minus 5m plus 6 equal to 0. So m equal to 3 comma 2 roots. So c a complementary function will be c1 e power 3t plus c2 e power 2t. Okay, and the particular integral will be 1 by function of d e power 2t. Now when e power 2t is there, replace d with 2 directly. So on replacing d with 2, f of d comes out to be 0. So we can't replace that. The next step will be t in t divided by f dash d into e power 2t, when f dash d is 2d minus 5. At d equal to 2, f dash d is 4 minus 5, it's equals to minus 1. So we get the particular integration as minus t e power 2t. So the complete solution will be y equal to c1. See, complete solution will be this complementary function and the particular integral. But remember to replace e power t as x and t equal to ln x. Okay. So after replacing we get the complete solution as this: y equal to c1 x cube plus c2 x square minus ln x into x square. So this completes the questions of differential equation. I hope you like this video. जाते जाते एक मोटिवेशन कविता मैं YouTube से सुना था, वो मैं आपसे के साथ शेयर करना चाहता हूँ. तो आइए सुनते हैं क्या है वो कविता. कहने से कुछ नहीं होता, करना पड़ता है. भूल कर सारी बातें जिद पर अड़ना पड़ता है. आसान नहीं होता सपनों को हकीकत में बदलना. उसके लिए कभी खुद से भी लड़ना पड़ता है. इस बार सफल नहीं हुए तो क्या हुआ, एक बार और प्रयास करना पड़ता है. So thank you for watching my video. Do share, subscribe my channel and share as much as you can so that my effort counts. Thank you.